Yamaha SRC30 Compact Gaming Soundbar. Main features are: Yamaha SRC30 Compact Gaming Soundbar is a highly space-efficient 2.1-channel audio system engineered specifically for gaming battle stations, desktop monitors, and smaller TVs. Unlike bulky living room setups, this combo focuses on crisp, near-field listening and punchy, localized bass. Total system power: 90 WRMS of total Class D amplification. Power distribution: 40 W allocated to the main soundbar, 20 WX 2 channels, plus 50 W allocated to the dedicated subwoofer. Main bar drivers: two 1.8-inch, 4.5 centimeters, full-range cone drivers delivering direct stereo imaging. Subwoofer driver: a single 5.1-inch, 13 centimeters, side-firing cone driver housed inside a bass reflex ported cabinet. Game mode features a proprietary EQ preset tailored for near-field listening. It enhances ambient directional sound effects, footsteps, and spatial instrument separation. 3D movie mode employs Yamaha original 3D sound field technology to virtually lift the audio stage, making sound seem like it emerges directly from the center of your screen. Clear voice mode boosts human vocal frequencies so you can easily hear teammate callouts and in-game dialogue over heavy explosions. Bass extension: a hardware toggle designed to artificially maximize the lower frequencies of the subwoofer. Wired inputs: 1x HDMI ARC output, 2x digital optical audio inputs, and 1x 3.5mm analog stereo mini AUX jack for a direct connection to PCs or handheld console.